Let's be honest. You love them, but your nose doesn't. The Dander. Their mystery smells. That invisible cloud that follows your pet from room to room. For years, I thought it was just the price of love. Then my vet showed me a private study on indoor air quality, and it changed everything. In 2026, a new wave of air purifiers isn't just filtering air, they're targeting pet pollutants on a molecular level. I turned my home into a lab, testing the top contenders with 2 shedding dogs and a cat who thinks is a cloud. One model uses a sealed HEPA system so advanced, it's used in vet clinics. Another has a secret sensor that detects when your pet is nearby and ramps up automatically. But the winner? It doesn't just trap dander, it destroys it. What I discovered about ozone-free claims will shock you. If you or anyone in your home sniffles, coughs, or just wants a fresher home, this is non-negotiable. Number 1. Nuwave Forever Smart Air. The Nuwave Forever Smart Air Purifier is an advanced air cleaning system designed specifically for home environments. Its innovative design features a unique, patented filtration system that operates through 7 distinct stages, ensuring comprehensive purification of the air in your living space. This air purifier is capable of effectively cleaning large rooms, with the capacity to maintain air quality in areas up to 2,002 square feet, making it ideal for spacious homes or open floor plans. One of the standout features of the Nuwave air purifier is its never-replace air filter system. Unlike traditional air purifiers that require frequent filter changes, which can be costly and inconvenient, this model offers washable and reusable filters. This not only saves you money in the long run but also supports a more sustainable approach to air purification, reducing waste. Number 2. Pet Air Purifier Large Home Up. The Pet Air Purifier is designed for large homes up to 4,200 square feet, making it an ideal choice for pet owners dealing with the common challenges of pet hair, dander, and odors. This advanced air purification system features a 7-stage filtration process, which includes an anion generator, activated carbon filter, and HEPA filter, ensuring comprehensive removal of airborne pollutants. Key features of the product include suction capabilities, effectively captures floating cat and dog hair, significantly improving indoor air quality. Wi-Fi connectivity, allows for easy monitoring and control through a mobile app, enabling users to check air quality levels and manage settings remotely. Number 3. Blueair Air Purifier for Large Rooms. The Blueair Air Purifier is designed to effectively purify the air in large rooms and homes, covering an impressive area of up to 3,385 square feet. Its advanced HEPA silent technology combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to eliminate a wide range of airborne pollutants, including dust, smoke, and pet hair, ensuring cleaner and healthier indoor air quality. This model features smart Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing for remote control and monitoring through a dedicated app. The auto mode adjusts the fan speed based on the current air quality, optimizing energy use while maintaining optimal purification levels. In addition to its powerful air cleaning capabilities, this purifier has a unique design that allows it to double as a table, making it a functional and stylish addition to your home decor. It is AHAM verified, guaranteeing its performance and efficiency in removing common household air contaminants. Number 4. Trio Plus 5-Stage HEPA Air Purifier. The Trio Plus 5-Stage HEPA Air Purifier is a highly efficient air cleaning device designed to improve indoor air quality in spaces of up to 3,300 square feet. This air purifier utilizes a comprehensive 5-stage filtration system that includes HEPA filter, captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, such as dust, pollen, pet dander, and smoke, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment. Ultraviolet, UVC, light, this feature helps to eliminate bacteria, viruses, and other microorganisms present in the air, providing an additional layer of protection against airborne pathogens. Photocatalytic oxidation, PCO, a technology that utilizes light to break down harmful chemicals and pollutants in the air, contributing to better air quality by reducing VOx, volatile organic compounds, and other contaminants. Number 5. Air Purifiers for Home Large Room. Introducing our advanced air purifier, designed specifically for large rooms and bedrooms up to an impressive 3,600 square feet. This powerful unit features a PM 2.5 display that accurately monitors and displays the air quality in real time, ensuring that you and your loved ones breathe clean air. Equipped with a true HEPA air filter, this purifier effectively captures 99.97% of allergens, dust, pet fur, smoke, and other airborne particles as small as 0.3 microns. This makes it an ideal choice for households with pets or for those who suffer from allergies or respiratory issues. The three-sided air inlet maximizes airflow, allowing the unit to circulate purer air throughout your space more efficiently. Its sleek white design seamlessly blends into any home decor, while maintaining optimal performance. Breathe easy. The solution is finally here. Which purifier are you bringing home to your furry family? Tell me in the comments, what's your biggest air quality battle, smells, dander, or dust? If this investigation helps you and your pets breathe cleaner air, take a deep breath and hit that like button. It helps this reach families who need it. Ready to transform your home's air? Every single purifier, filter subscription, and pet-specific accessory is linked for you in the description below. Want more honest, life with pets tested gear? Subscribe and hit the bell, because next week, we're exposing their pet-safe, cleaning products that are actually dangerous. Share this with a fellow pet parent. Here's to cleaner air and happier noses.